Chinese automaker GAC has released more information about the design of the Time concept a few months after its premiere at the 2021 Guangzhou Auto Show. The fully electric concept is exploring the future of luxury flagship sedans with a focus on aerodynamics and a preview of GAC's next design language for EVs called Teardrop on the blade. Starting with the exterior, the GAC Time has a teardrop silhouette with rounded shapes and smooth surfacing. The short bonnet leads to a heavily inclined windscreen and a sloping roofline leading to the long tail. Although more radical in its approach, GAC's concept has hints of the 2019 Hyundai Prophecy concept and the Mercedes-Benz EQ line of sedans. The aerodynamic shape allows a drag coefficient of 0.191 CD. This figure, while quite low, is not as impressive as the 0.17 CD of the Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX concept, and is worse than the 0.146 CD figure of GAC's own Eno 146 concept from 2019, which served as an inspiration for the Time. Interesting design features include the eternal timer wheel hubs that create a 3D illusion using holographic projection technology, the time ripples rotating LED blocks in the slim headlights, and the LED tail light strips serving as a connection between the exterior and the interior. Large suicide doors and an upwards opening portion of the roof provide easy access to the cabin, which is even more futuristic than the sleek bodywork. As described by Fan Zhang, GAC's head of design, our interior space is a mobile living room where technology is within reach and art is within view. In creating the interior, the designers took inspiration from objects like the Klein bottle and the Mobius ring. The driver's seat is mounted on what looks like a little pond, or as GAC calls it, a crystal clear ripple grain. The digital cockpit comprises an OLED instrument cluster, a floating infotainment touchscreen and a yoke-style steering wheel. The rear bench, designed as a comfortable sofa, connects with the dashboard through a single curved line. One side of the windows is semi-closed with curtains inspired by modern architecture. Finally, the white upholstery is combined with wood accents, highlighted by gold and purple lighting. GAC didn't provide detailed specs for the Time besides saying it is based on an EV-dedicated architecture. They also claim it has level 4 autonomous capabilities thanks to laser radars and sensors that are integrated into the bodywork. While the GAC Time is clearly a study, we expect design features to be incorporated in future EVs from the Chinese automaker.